Kung may gusto kayong i-request na kanta, guys, mag-send kayo ng stickers. Okay? Because a lot of people are requesting songs. So I just can't give that privilege away to just anyone. So I hope you understand that it's not that easy. You know? And if I don't know this song, I'll have to learn it, not know. Okay? Yung ate mo sa ibang bansa mag-aaral. Magta-try siya mag-aral sa Arizona. Or she can just live with my tita. Pero dapat may scholarship para hindi mahal, di ba? Aray, ang sakit. What do you miss sa Beanie House? Wala. Sino mas clingy sa'yo? Si ate or kuya? Parehas sila. Nakakainis silang dalawa. Bakit kahit ang sungit mo, pero ikaw pa din love namin sa 2023? Ewan ko.